May it please your Lordship. Lordship, with the consent of the other side, I beg to mention item number 7. This matter may kindly be taken up after 2 weeks, madam.
On pre-made by petitioner, this is matter after 2 weeks.
Much obliged.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I'll beg to mention item number 6.
My lord, I'm for the respondent state here.
What is this matter about?
This is a regularization matter, Lordship.
Regularization, my lord. Teacher, my lord.
Teacher,
Yes.
has this matter been heard?
No, my lord. No. It's never been heard.
21 matter. On pre-made by petitioner, not objected to by respondents. Place this matter after 2 weeks.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
May it please your Lordship, I beg to make a mention of item number 4. We are still in the process of obtaining a copy of his death certificate.
Death certificate,
Lordship.
Or that
Lordship.
yes, since expired.
on pre-made by the appellant, place this matter after 1 week.
Yeah, please.
From supplementary list, item number 1.
May it please your Lordship. Your Lordship, in this matter, as we have previously informed your Lordship that settlement has already been agreed upon by the parties, my Lord, and that the insurance company is also willing to make the payment. So just a small request, my Lord, if this matter could be posted for Lok Adalat. Lok Adalat is sitting on the second week of December.
Yes, Mr.
It's okay, Lordship. No problem.
It's agreed to by the parties. Place this matter on 16. So 16 December.
Highly obliged.
From daily list, item number 1.
Please, Lordship. Lordship, I prefer 2 weeks time to file my rejoinder, Your Lordship.
That will be rejoinder to respondent number 1
And 3.
3.
Who's for 2? Yet again, the respondent number 2 had sought for some more time to file the counter affidavit. Next, I miss you. Listen, representing the respondent number 2, Mr. Leonard Counsel, appearing for the petitioner, has also sought for some more time to file the rejoinder to the counter affidavit filed by the respondent number 1 and 3 respectively. How long?
2 weeks, Lordship.
You are justified. You should have done it earlier. You should do it within 1 week. Advance copy to them so that in 2 weeks' time they can file the rejoinder. Pleadings would be complete. Please ensure. Last line. On consideration of the preamble, the same is allowed. This is matter up to 2 weeks.
Obliged, Lordship.
Item number 2.
State is yet to file the affidavit, Your Lordship, at respondent number 327.
Oh, this is that
The border fence.
border road.
Yes.
Border fencing, Lordship.
Yeah, border fencing.
Indo-Bangladesh.
So,
Lordship, I just need 1 more week's time, Lordship. There was some small deficiency in my affidavit, Lordship. There's just a bit of correction, Lordship. I just need 1 more week's time to make the corrections and I'll bring the affidavit before, Lordship.
this is not with regard to land acquisition proceeding, isn't it?
Lordship, it's part of the same, Lordship, land acquisition and border fencing, Lordship.
Mr. H. Haro, Long Leonard, additional senior DA, has once again sought for time to file the counter affidavit on behalf of the respondent, state respondent 327. On the ground that this,
1 to already filed.
on the ground that the same could not be filed today.
Your Lordship, we may be allowed to file rejoinder once they file the affidavit.
From the records, all the other respondents have filed there.
Yes, Your Lordship.
You have filed.
Yes, yes.
1, 2 has filed,
1 to
and
Can I get a copy?
8
given to. It is given in the.
you are not filing. Unum too.
Given in counter.
It would.
It is given.
It is seen that the respondent number 1, 2, and 9 respectively have filed their respective counter affidavit. The state respondent is directed to file the counter affidavit within 1 week with advance copy to the petitioner, who would then file a rejoinder if so advised. Would then file a rejoinder to all the counter affidavit if so advised. This is matter of 2 weeks.
Item number 3.
No, evidence will be taken on second. So we'll have it on 5th December.
Yes.
See, we have agreed that if the matter is taken up on 5th December.
December, Your Lordship. Because next PW will be recorded on 2nd December, Your Lordship.
On a joint prayer made by the parties, this matter is now to be taken up on 5th.
5th December, Your Lordship. Oblige, Your Lordship.
Item number 5.
This is, my lord,
Maybe
this
as
is,
a Lordship, before my senior stars Lordship, if this matter can be taken up on some other day, Lordship, the arguing counsel, Mr. Subhashish Sen, is under some personal difficulty, Lordship.
no, there's not much thing to argue here. Only the instruction was sought whether the SPV fund was used from the SPV fund or from the government's own exchequer. That's the only instruction that they need to bring before my lord. That is the only thing. Because they themselves said that otherwise it has become an academic discussion. So if that has become an academic discussion, then we just wanted to know where the SPV fund has been diverted. That's the only thing. If they have been diverted, they have to refund it.
Who is the custodian of the SPV fund?
It is SPV fund. They have a committee, my lord. There's a committee led by the chief secretary, my lord.
Okay.
That is called an SPV itself, my lord. Yeah. So it's the chief secretary.
Have you, filed those details?
Lordship, but
Let me
thing is that
tell-
Lordship, I'm a bit handicapped today, Lordship. I don't have the brief with me, Lordship. Otherwise, I could have.
Mr.
They have not.
Karunalan,
It
see,
seems that they have not sought instructions
on
also,
the
my
last
lord.
date, on the
Yes.
last date,
Lordship.
submission was made that the
Yes.
conducting counsel, that is you, is not available on that date. Now
Indisposed.
you have come and now you say you are not the conducting counsel.
Lord,
Then what do we do?
I mean, they have. It seems that they have not sought instructions at all. They might have to let them give a chance, but seek the instructions, proper instructions, and come.
You have filed your counter.
Lordship.
What is your stand? That the fund was not utilized from the SPV, or it was utilized but it is provided under
Lordship,
the
the
rules?
as per my what I can recollect, Lordship, the matters with regards to for construction of the road, of a metallic road, Lordship, and the matter was given to a class 1 contractor.
That is, see, we are not concerned with who has undertaken the work. What is required is I mean, as far as the petition is concerned, is from where the fund was utilized.
Lordship,
Was it from the SPV or from any other source?
Lordship,
So that's the only query that you could, satisfy the
Lordship.
court with.
But the SPV funds also could be used as per mechanically for the betterment of the
Exactly.
people out there, Lordship.
So have you spelled that out in your counter?
Lordship,
No, my lord. Except for raising preliminary objections of my locus standi and proxy litigation, and saying we are not an affected party, nothing has been raised, my lord.
See, Mr. Karunalan, what you can do is
Lordship,
you file an additional affidavit,
Lordship,
firstly stating, if you say so, that under the relevant rules or the provision of the SPV, it is also provided that the construction of metallic road or whatever is funds could be utilized from the SPV.
Lordship,
Number one, and number two is what is the let's put it this way, the balance sheet of the SPV,
Lordship,
the latest balance sheet as to how fund has been utilized, what is the balance of the fund left, and all those things.
Yes.
Lordship,
That would give a clear picture
Yes,
of how
my
the fund was used.
Yes, my lord.
You do that.
Lordship.
Mr. H. Harun, and its additional senior GA has submitted that he has limited instruction in this matter as the conducting counsel is not present today. However, on a query made by this court, as far as the utilization of the fund from the SPV is concerned, the learned additional senior GA would has submitted that the state respondent may be allowed to file an additional affidavit to bring on the court such information, that is, the extent of the fund utilized from the SPV, and also the provision, rules or regulation, if any, as far as the SPV is concerned, for construction of a road. You call it metallic or you call it blacktop, or what do you call it?
It's a black top, repairing black.
Blacktop metallic road, Lordship. Is a tar road, Lordship.
That's the third term.
Metallic seems to be a metal road.
No, that would be a real road, metal road, but then
More often we call it blacktop road.
blacktop road.
Yes.
Or blacktop road. On consideration of the submission made, the court would allow, on the petitioner not making any objection to the same, the court would allow the state respondent to file the said additional affidavit within the next date fixed. How long?
Lordship, since I have to inquire about the balance sheet and the use of the Lordship, may grant me 3 weeks time, Lordship.
No, the last line, take the last line. This is matter to 3 weeks.
3 weeks matter. Obliged.
I oblige.